It is now clear beyond reasonable doubt that the current public consultation process being conducted by Parliament is nothing short of a fraudulent and elaborate sham across the length and breadth of this country. Salabina mashoko atoona kuti panapa maretired general wauya vachicriticize mapublic hearings. Subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina apa hendo ya retired general Winston Skoke Mapranga nendambira achiti ZANU-PF is carefully and methodically orchestrated a giant choreographed sham, each episode following the same basic structure, the same characteristic pattern of deception. They are not consulting the people. They are staging a performance for the people and building democracy for the tickets. The first and foremost disturbing pillar of this fraud has been the systematic, premeditated use of violence and intimidation across the country. Non-activists and committed Democrats have been kidnapped, assaulted, and harassed. This is not random. This is policy by other means. In Chirezi, Gilbert Muteboki is currently fighting for his life. His wife left terribly traumatized. He was refused the right to give his testimony at Chirezi gathering. They then followed him and literally cut his leg. They left him for dead. In the history of public consultations in the Republic, I have never witnessed such a brazen statement of intent, speaking against us, and they will silence you with a blade. In Kwekwe, in Bondoro, the four brave voices that dared to speak against the constitutional amendment were followed up and assaulted after the gatherings. In Bulawayo, 2 youth leaders were assaulted and then Anketa meeting was permanently abandoned. The regime does not merely fear dissent, it hunts it. Yesterday, proceedings at the City Sports Center in Harare were a parade of historic proportions. By the absence of any neutral regalia, the process was, in all visible respects, nothing but a ZANU-PF rally. As in every other venue across the front-line exercise, thousands of people were bussed to the venue. The same crowd that had been deployed to Epworth in the morning was recycled and transported to the City Sports Center by afternoon. Toma developments aripo mre Zimbabwe. Nakomesa kuchemeduza fungo imo tudiva msoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chitona bell icon.